Hi, my name is Jenkins. I am currently actually at Purdue University. This is my freshman year, and I am majoring in business analytics. I chose this degree because it is going to help me graduate with a bachelor's of science, and I also have it's like a dual degree almost, where I'm graduating with data analytics background, but also having a business foundation. So that was the best part on why I chose Purdue, is because it gave me this opportunity to basically graduate with a bachelor's of science while also being in the business school. So with that, I would definitely tell my freshman self to always do the things that you love, always stay curious, try everything, and most importantly, be consistent. When you love something, always stay consistent, because that is the only way you get better, is consistent work. It's good to work your hardest one day, but it's bad to just give the bare minimum the next. So always stay consistent. Some things I want to say is that in high school, some leadership roles I was a part of was I was president and always holding a leadership role in my class for all 4 years of high school. So I was class president for my senior and junior year, but I was vice president freshman and sophomore year. So that was kind of giving me a great foundation on how to be a leader, not just to like a small group, but like also like a mass of like people, and understanding like how to communicate. And it was great. Another thing was I was part of my baseball team. I played varsity for all 4 years, and it was a great time, and also taught me how to be a leader, how to also work with other people, how to collaborate. It was a great experience. Another thing I was part of was NHS. I was part of Mu Alpha Theta. Those are more of like the math club, and then you have NHS's National Honor Society, obviously, and helping out with the community, and also taking kids that represent excellence and being able to help the community. So that was part of my community service. I was also, my junior year, I was part of my news broadcast at my school. That was great as far as like creative work. I love creative work, and that was a great way to express myself during that time. But yeah, that was some things I was part of, really. But Miss Ledwith definitely helped me with my SAT, because she made a clear-cut plan, and we attacked it with no hesitation, and no details were left out. She understood where my strengths were, and she understood what my weaknesses were. So we built on my strengths, which was math, and we gave myself a great foundation to expand on my reading without the pressure of feeling like I had to do everything at once. She broke down everything to where it was a digestible size, and I could understand what I was doing. And I just loved that she really took the time and the dedication to prioritize my success as not just only a student, but someone that has dreams, and a person that also can be a great contributor to society. So I thank her for always helping me learn, and understanding that though I'm young, it is not an excuse for me to keep acquiring. So thank you so much, and have a blessed day.